Good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? How's going your studies? It's winter morning. Keep safe and stay home and be aware for your studies. A truly beautiful mind, chapter 4, book is Beehive. A truly beautiful mind. This chapter is running about the main character of this chapter is great scientist Einstein. Well, we studied about the Einstein in this chapter. Who do you think when you hear the word when you hear the word genius? Who's genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? A genius has a great intelligence that is like Albert Einstein. He was a genius who discovered our understanding of space, time, and the cosmos. We shall now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. We are going to study about the German civil servant, the Einstein, who took the world by storm about 100 years ago, about near 100 years ago, who took the storm in the world with his great invention. In the took summer of the 1905, only small and very early at 26-year-old, he published the quick succession of groundbreaking papers. He provided a good turner of the life about light motion, about the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of moving bodies, and energy. He provided a great invention towards the world, and complete the world had changed with his invention. That was the great. His work took up only a few papers in the scientific journals, but changed forever our understanding of the space, time, and the entire cosmos, and transformed the same Einstein into a synonym for genius. He provided a great invention to the earthly people, like the great understanding of the space. He provided completely understanding of the space, time, and related things, and he became the genius for us. Albert Einstein was born on 14th of March 1879 in the German city of Ulm without any indicate that he was destined for the greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak to her. His head seemed much too large. Albert Einstein was born on the 14th of March 1879 in the German city. The name is Ulm. City name is the Ulm of German country. Without any indication, without any sign that he was really destined, that he will have. It was written in the fate, his greatness. There was no any sign. वहाँ कोई ऐसा indication या sign नहीं था जो कि ये बता सकता कि he born for this greatness. या उसके भाग्य में ये महानता लिखी हुई है. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. Generally, his mother thought about him. He's a freak. Freak means this word is used to about a child, person, unusual, and doesn't behave like others and doesn't look like the others. He's not a simple ordinary child to her. Why she thought like it? Because his head seemed much too large than the others. The Einstein head was really very large size than the others. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. At the age of 2.5, लगभग 2.5 साल तक की age में Einstein still wasn't talking. He doesn't speak a single word. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. He speak 2 times every word. Einstein did not know what to do with the other children. He didn't know what should we do with other children. He didn't like to play with the children. He had the great interest in the mechanicals. And his playmates called him boring brother. And his fellow players, called him brother boring. So the youngster played by himself. Generally, he himself. Otto Nagelbauer, the historian of the ancient mathematics, told a story about the boy Einstein that he characteristics as a legend, but that seems fairly authentic. As he was late talker, his parents was worried. उनके बारे में एक हिस्टोरियन जो थे एंशियंट मैथमेटिक्स के नेग्यूबॉर उन्होंने बताया है स्टोरी में इस बॉय आइंस्टाइन के बारे में दैट ही करेक्टरिस्टिक एज ए लीजेंड। ये अपने आप में एक युग प्रवर्तक थे, चेंजर थे, बट दैट सीम्स फनली ऑथेंटिक। लेकिन ये वाकई में सच ही लगता है। एज ही वॉज लेट टॉकर, हालांकि उन्होंने बहुत लेट बोलना सीखा। हिज पेरेंट्स वर वरीड, जनरली देयर पेरेंट्स वॉज वरीड अबाउट हिम। एट लास्ट एट द सपर टेबल वन नाइट, आखिरकार एक रात, लेट नाइट डिनर, जो लेट नाइट सपर, लाइट सपर जो होता है, ही ब्रोक हिज साइलेंस टू से, उन्होंने अपनी चुप्पी कब तोड़ी? पहली बार उन्होंने कब बोला? जब वो लेट नाइट डाइनिंग पर अपना सपर ले रहे थे। द सूप इज़ टू हॉट, ग्रेटली रिलीव्ड, उन्होंने तेजी से कहा। हिज पेरेंट्स आस्क्ड, तो उनके पेरेंट्स ने उनसे पूछा, वाई ही हैड नेवर सेड अ वर्ड बिफोर, इससे पहले उन्होंने कभी कोई शब्द क्यों नहीं कहा? एल्बर्ट रिप्लाइड, बिकॉज अप टू नाउ एवरीथिंग वॉज इन ऑर्डर, क्योंकि अब तक सभी चीज़ें बिल्कुल करेक्टली थी। मीन्स इट डिडंट वांट टू स्पीक ए सिंगल वर्ड विदाउट एनी ग्रेट रीज़न, वो कुछ भी बिना किसी वजह के नहीं बोलना चाहते थे, और उन्होंने अपनी बहुत बड़ी वजह वर्ल्ड को दी है। दैट इज़ द ग्रेट इन्वेंशन ऑफ द light and motion of particles and electrodynamics of moving bodies. That is. Much of the time he generally played the mechanical toys. He especially loved mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister Maja, he is sad to have said. He is sad to have said. Fine, but where are her wheels? Especially he liked very much mechanics type of toys. When he saw first time his newborn sister Maja, he asked, everything is fine but where are her wheels? सब ठीक है लेकिन उसके wheels कहाँ हैं? Then we can understand the deep love for the mechanical toys. A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose a profession. This headmaster of the Einstein underestimated him. He thought that he is not a good student. He said to her father that what the Einstein chose as a profession, what he chose as a profession, it's not important, has no importance, because has no matter, wouldn't matter, yeah, has no importance because he'll never make a success at anything. The headmaster comment on him, that is, he'll never make a success at anything, he never be success in any field. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the small age of 6. Einstein started to learning to play, make music with the musical instrument like violin at the small age of 6. When he was 6 years old, he learned to play the violin because his mother wanted that he learned to play the violin. He later became a gifted amateur violinist. At last he became a very great amateur. Amateur यानी personal enjoyment rather than a professional. So he become enjoyment. He took the enjoy in the violinist, playing the violins, and he maintained this skill throughout his life. He maintained this skill his whole life. But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. He is not a bad student. He went to high school in Munich, where the Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old. Albert Einstein not a bad pupil. वो इतने बुरे भी student नहीं थे. He went to high school in Munich. He joined the high school in Munich, where the Einstein family had moved. जहाँ Einstein की family shift हो गई थी when he was only 15 months old. And Einstein scored good marks almost every subject. He was not a bad student. He scored very good marks in every subject. Einstein hated the school's regimentation and often clashed with his teacher. He didn't like a very hard discipline, a very extreme discipline in the school, and generally he argued with his teacher. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled that he left the school for good. At the age of very small 15, Einstein felt suffocated there in the school, so he forever left the school for something good. कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए उन्होंने स्कूल छोड़ दिया. The previous starting years, Albert's parents had moved to Milan, स्टार्टिंग में उनके पेरेंट्स जो हैं दे हैड मूव्ड, वो चले गए थे मिलान, एंड दे लेफ्ट देयर सन विद द रिलेटिव्स, एंड दे लेफ्ट देयर सन आइंस्टाइन विद देयर रिलेटिव्स, उन्होंने अपने बेटे को अपने रिलेटिव्स के पास छोड़ा. आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग डिस्कशन Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland, because the Einstein wanted to complete his education in German-speaking place Switzerland, in a city that was more liberal than the Munich. It was willing to understand and respect other opinions. It provided great freedom than the Munich. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics. Einstein was really highly intelligent, greatly intelligent, highly gifted in mathematics, and take the deep interest in the physics. And after finishing after the school, he decided to study at the university in Zurich. After school, he decided to join the university in Zurich, but the science wasn't only thing that appealed to the dashing young man with the walrus mustache. And he decided to study at the Zurich, but science is not only that he attracted him more. केवल साइंस ही अकेली नहीं थी जो उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट करती थी. और डैशिंग हैंडसम यंग मैन, द walrus mustache, long and thick mustache, dashing handsome man was the Einstein. The remaining chapter will study in the next.